guys, Mo from AutoCraze once again. Today we've got my man Anthony. He's come all the way from some suburb, I don't even know who he is, but he's called me, spoke to me over the phone. He's going to give you a bit of insight on who he is, how we found out about AutoCraze, and what he's doing here today. Anthony, how you going, brother?
Thanks,
What's going
mate.
on? How's things?
Excellent.
Anthony, talk to the viewers, talk to the people watching, how you found out about us, what you did, and what you're here to do today.
I found out about you guys from my mate Tim, who arranged for the purchase of the car.
Yep.
Obviously, I'm not happy with standard, so he said, come to the best guy in the game, Mo, from AutoCraze. Got on the phone with Mo, immediately was like my best mate. Oversold everything to me, but I bought it all. Pimped it out like nothing else. I'm looking forward to seeing it, and I'm sure we're going to get repeat customers for Mo whenever all my mates see the car.
100%. Now Anthony has not seen the car as yet. I'm actually going to take him next door to where the car's stored. So when I come through, guys, I'll show you how it's done. Anthony, let's go for a walk. We've got it here, finally done, wrapped up, as ordered. We've got the beautiful fuel pump wheels, wrapped with the Falken MTs, the beautiful flares with the bolts, the genuine Ford Snorkel, the Fibreglass Australian-made bonnet scoop, the rival bar, LED upgrades and everything. Now I'm going to show you how it works. And the most important part that you wanted, brother, the beautiful e-boards. So we've got it all done. This is what the car looks like once it's all lit up. Looks amazing. Everything's done. Sum it up for me, bro, one word.
Outstanding. Outstanding.
That's how you do a Ranger, bro.